Hi friends and welcome to Salmon Vision and it's me Shamraj. So as a part of our Mysore trip, we have visited one beautiful place in Mysore. I can say that it's a precious place, none other than it's Shukhavana and Bonsai Garden, situated in Mysore. It's actually a bird rehabilitation center. They are also caring and conserves the injured birds. Actually, it's a house of critically endangered and endangered species. We can see varieties of birds inside that, and this place is very close to Mysore city, so you can reach here very easily. Frequent buses are available, and from railway station also it's around somewhat 6 to 7 kilometers, I think. And also you can book cabs, auto, and all. And this area is maintained by Avadutta Dhatha Peedam, and its founder is Ganapati Sachidananda Swamiji, and you can also see in this picture. And he has received Guinness World Record for maintaining more than 450 plus species of parrots in this center. And they are strictly maintaining the timings of the center because during the free times there will be a lot of works like feeding the parrots, so the maintenance is high, so they are maintaining the time very strictly. The timings are morning 9:30 to 12:30 and evening 3:30 to 5:30. So I am showing some of the endangered and rare species of parrots we have seen inside this cage. It was very quite interesting. And beyond this point, we are not allowed to take photographs because it will be a great disturbance for the parrots. So photography is strictly prohibited. So I am showing some of the endangered and rare species of parrots we have seen inside this cage. It was quite interesting. But inside that main cage, they have arranged their own photographers where they will give food items in our hand. So birds will come and have their food by sitting in our hand. So that time they will click some nice snaps and they will give within 5 to 10 minutes. So, but it is chargeable. It is chargeable. So it is coming around 100 and 150 rupees. So it's a nice experience only. And that's all about Shukhavana Birds Center. So next we will see the bonsai garden, which is in the same premises of Shukhavana. In this garden, we can able to see varieties of bonsai plants. The specialty of this bonsai garden is the maintaining plants for every day of year. That is, we can search for a plant which have same date as our date of birth. It was quite interesting because people were searching for. Actually, I was also searching. My date of birth was September 26th, and I also searched for the same date plant. You can see the photograph of mine. I have taken photograph with the September 26th plant. And it will be quite interesting for those who maintains garden in their home and loves bonsai. And that's all about Mysore, Shukhavana and Bonsai Garden. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Kindly show your support through likes and sharing this video. It will be very useful for us, and it will be very useful for our growth of our channel. Also, we are expecting your feedback through our comments. Bye bye. Have a nice day.